Do you know that Affinity allows us to access a panel called stock to get access to millions of stock images and vector files which are sourced by Pixels and Pixabay? So in order to access this stock panel, first of all, let's go to Windows menu item and navigate to layout. Then activate this stock menu item right here. And now you can see that a stock panel has been opened. Here we can source the images or vector files or vector assets from sources like Pixels and Pixabay, which has a huge base of stock images. We can also search for the vector images or images by searching or typing here, and we can filter out our search where we can only filter the vector files by checking this vector checkbox. Right now, before accessing the image files, first of all, let's click on the terms and conditions, which is I understand. And now let's search for an image, banana. Now you can see that we can access many images that is related to banana. We can also change the source of the image to pixels, but we have to agree to the terms and conditions of pixels again by clicking on I understand. And let's search for apple now and hit enter. And as soon as we search for apple, we can see a lot of stock images being provided through pixels. Now in order to include the images to our canvas, we can simply drag and drop the image. So it is really easy that by clicking and dragging and dropping the image, we can put the image to the canvas. So we can also filter out the image by vector. However, I think it is not possible through pixels to filter the image, which is especially the vector image, through pixels. So we have to filter the image through Pixabay because I think Pixabay only provides vector images as opposed to pixels. So if we click on vector, now you can see that it has offered a lot of vector files of Apple, which we can click and drag and then include in our canvas. So this is how we can use the stock panel, which is really helpful and handy feature that Affinity has offered. So if you find this video informative, please click the like button, and in order to know about more tips, tricks and features of Affinity in the future, please press the subscribe button. Thank you for watching this video. See you on the next video.